Don't look at us.
Hopefully
Why?
there's no bodies underneath.
What's why? What's in there? Oh my gosh! Look at that! Who could have done that?
Mrs. Short, how you doing?
You should go in there.
I don't think I can.
I hope you brought a pen with you.
Oh my God.
Oh, here, you dropped your badge.